Hi there. If you've been using the Yohealth app for a while, the one that lets you earn money by walking, you've probably run into some technical issues. That's totally normal. The project is still developing, fixing bugs, and gradually turning into a whole ecosystem, opening up new opportunities for businesses, advanced users, and just walking enthusiasts. Let's go over the most frequently asked questions about using the app. The most common question for beginners: how much can you earn? The maximum you can get paid for is 30,000 steps per day. If you walk more than 20,000 steps, you get a bonus, an extra 5,000 steps. There are also weekly and monthly bonuses. Your earnings depend on the exchange rate. At the time of recording this video, 160,000 steps equals 1 FTN. Another important point: the FTN token rate. Right now, 1 FTN is worth $4.43. Let's do the math. 30,000 steps times 30 days is 900,000, plus 240,000 in bonuses if you're a marathon walker. Divide that by 160,000, the step to FTN exchange rate, and multiply by 4.43, the FTN to dollar rate. That means you can earn a maximum of $32 per month on your own. Want to earn more? Invite referrals. Each active user you bring in gives you 5% of their daily steps. When you install Yohealth, you'll also need to download the Google Health Connect app and give Yohealth access to your step count, distance, calories, and other stats. The app needs an internet connection to work. If your account gets blocked or you accidentally delete it, go to the project's website and contact support using the round button in the lower right corner. You don't need to keep the app open all the time. Health Connect saves all your step data. As they say, Google remembers everything. If the app freezes, just restart it. After you hit the claim button at the end of the day, the app might redirect you to another site, Yoblog. To get back, tap the 4 dots in the upper left corner and select Yohealth. Having trouble collecting referral steps? Switch the app's language to English. This is a temporary fix, but the developers are working on it. Will withdrawals to ORTAC return? This was part of a promo campaign and might come back in the future. For now, the main withdrawal method is the Fostex exchange. Sometimes you might encounter errors due to technical maintenance. These usually last about an hour. Just wait it out. Occasionally, you can't convert funds in the market section. This happens when new voucher packages are being loaded. Be patient and wait for the update. If you're interested in earning money just by walking, check out my other videos. All the instructions are in the description. I hope I've cleared up some of your questions. See you soon.